Good morning, Achieve Charter School. It's so good to be here. Hey, this is the K-8 morning assembly today because both of you are really going to talk about kind of the same thing this morning as we start getting ready for our PLP conferences. But first, let's start with the Pledge of Allegiance. Can you please stand at attention? Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Nice job. You guys can have a seat. Hey, you'll see down here below me that it says two different virtue or habits of success. Here's why. Like I said, this is K-8. K3, your virtue this week is determination. Right there. Okay. And then 4 through 8, your habit of success is self-direction. They both work really well together though, and both of them are talking about this idea of we're going to set goals at PLPs and then we're going to work really hard to meet your goals. And that self-direction piece is really important because the only person who can meet your goal is you. And the determination is super important because you can't meet your goal unless you work really hard. Before we launch into that, I want to put this into perspective and kind of connect things from last week and this week. So I want you to have a little chat. Teachers, you can have them do this with a partner or you can just share out in class. I want you to take a moment to think when you shared your some days I wanna, when Mr. Walsh and I were talking, and you shared a someday I wanna, and you shared one of your big dreams. I want you to think this morning, which one of those big dreams is the most important to you? Like which one's the one that you just really are hoping that you can do? I'm gonna pause right now for a moment. Teachers, you can pause me for a second and think about which of your someday I wannas is the most important. Okay, hopefully you had time to pause me there and then take me back off pause. Now I want to connect the dots with our PLPs this week and what we're going to be talking about all week long. So my someday I wanna that I talked about with Mr. Walsh that I'm really excited about and I really want to start working on and thinking about is traveling and seeing a whole bunch of national parks. Now, here's why that one sounds like it's something I really want to do. It's because that's something that Mrs. Wright and I have talked about for years. That's like a dream of ours, to take the kids, take a big long trip over the summer and see a whole bunch of our country and see a whole bunch of our national parks. But we've talked about this before. If you have goals and dreams and you don't do anything, that I can't do it yet, and the power of yet is not going to happen. So if I just have this dream like I really, really want, I just think it'd be so awesome to go see all the national parks, but I don't do anything, it's not going to happen. Now that's also an interesting dream because this is not something I can do by myself, so I would have to have a meeting. My first step would be I'd have to have a meeting with Mrs. Wright, and we would have to start making a plan, right? When do we want to go on the trip? What will we need? How will we get there? Which vehicle are we going to take? How are we going to do this? What parks do we want to see? What order? And that meeting where you make that plan, that's when things start to happen, right? And you're going to have a PLP meeting this week. Teachers, I want you to take a little bit of time right now. Just have a little chat with your class. What can they expect at their PLP meeting? What's this going to look like this year? What kind of goals should they be setting at their grade level? So have a little conversation. What will that meeting look like? How are you going to set a goal? How are you going to talk to your parents and your teacher about your progress? All of that kind of stuff. Have a great day, Achieve.